Welcome everybody to another episode of the Unbox Minute. Today we're going to be looking at a hard drive from Seagate. So this was purchased online and it does come bubble wrapped like this, so that's why we're taking off the bubble wrap before we actually get started. So now that we have the hard drive finally outside, you can see that it's an 8 terabyte hard drive. This is from the Barracuda series. It comes packed in a simple anti-static cover. So let's open up the cover and take a look at the actual hard drive. So now that we have the hard drive out, you can see that it's a very straightforward 3.5-inch drive. It's a Barracuda drive, manufacturer Seagate, 8 terabytes. SATA interface for data transfer and power delivery, pretty straightforward. So we will connect this to one of our systems, do some data transfer, see how it performs. Do get subscribed if you aren't, and look out for our deep dive video which will cover all that information. Hope you're enjoying our content. Don't forget to like and share this with your friends, and see you in the next one.